Number 1. Swarm intelligence. Swarm intelligence is a field of artificial intelligence inspired by the collective behavior of social insects and other animal groups. Here, robots or software agents communicate and collaborate with each other, achieving a common goal without needing a central controller. Each individual agent follows simple rules, but the collective behavior emerges from the interactions between them. The potential applications of swarm intelligence are vast. Imagine tiny robots working together to clean up an oil spill, their movements coordinated like a synchronized team. Or, envision a swarm of drones collaborating to search for survivors after a disaster, efficiently covering a large area. This technology could revolutionize fields like construction, where robots could work together to assemble complex structures. Agriculture could benefit from swarms of drones that precisely plant seeds or monitor crop health. Swarm intelligence offers a new way of thinking about robotics and automation. By harnessing the power of the many, we can create systems that are more adaptable, efficient, and resilient than ever before. Number 2. Collaborative robots, Cobots. Imagine a robot working alongside you, not replacing you. That's the promise of collaborative robots, or Cobots. These robots are specifically designed to work safely in close proximity with humans. Unlike their industrial counterparts built for heavy-duty tasks in isolated environments, Cobots are smaller, lighter, and more user-friendly. Cobots excel at assisting with repetitive and potentially dangerous tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex activities that require creativity, problem-solving, and critical thinking. This collaborative approach can boost productivity, improve worker safety, and enhance overall efficiency in various industries. From assisting with assembly lines and manufacturing to helping surgeons in operating rooms, Cobots have the potential to revolutionize the workplace. Additionally, their user-friendly nature makes them ideal for smaller companies or those without extensive robotics experience. As Cobot technology continues to evolve, we can expect even greater levels of collaboration and innovation between humans and robots. Number 3. Smart fabrics and wearable electronics. Imagine clothes that can track your heart rate, monitor your sleep patterns, or even alert you about incoming messages. That's the potential of smart fabrics and wearable electronics. These are textiles embedded with sensors and microchips that can collect data about our bodies and surroundings. Imagine a shirt that tracks your posture and reminds you to sit up straight, or pants that monitor your muscle activity during exercise. Smart fabrics could revolutionize healthcare by allowing for continuous health monitoring, improve athletic performance with real-time feedback, and even create clothing that adapts to different environments to keep us comfortable. Number 4. Biomimicry robotics. Nature has spent millions of years perfecting its designs. Biomimicry robotics takes inspiration from the animal kingdom to create robots that are more efficient, adaptable, and strong than their traditional counterparts. Researchers are studying everything from the way a gecko can climb walls to the way a dolphin swims through water to design robots for a variety of purposes. Imagine a snake-like robot equipped with tiny hooks that can navigate narrow pipes for infrastructure inspection, inspired by the incredible flexibility and maneuverability of real snakes. Or picture a gecko-inspired robot with adhesive footpads that can climb walls and ceilings for building maintenance or search and rescue missions. Biomimicry robotics isn't just about mimicking appearances, it's about understanding the underlying principles that make these creatures so successful in their environments. Number 5. Nanobots. These tiny robots, on a microscopic scale, could hold the key to major advancements in medicine and technology. Imagine nanobots being injected into your body to fight diseases from the inside out, or repairing damaged tissues on a cellular level. They could even be used for environmental cleanup, filtering pollutants from water or the atmosphere. Imagine nanobots targeting cancer cells and delivering precise treatment directly to the tumor site, or cleaning up oil spills by breaking down the oil molecules at a microscopic level. Nanobots have the potential to revolutionize healthcare, environmental remediation, and even material science. Number 6. Self-assembling robots. Think IKEA furniture, but on a much smaller scale. Self-assembling robots are designed to put themselves together without human intervention. This could be incredibly useful for tasks in hazardous environments, space exploration, or even building complex structures on Earth. Imagine robots that can assemble themselves into a bridge or a shelter in a remote location after a natural disaster, or a team of self-assembling robots constructing a research outpost on the moon. Self-assembling robots could revolutionize fields like construction, disaster relief, and space exploration. Number 7. Artificial wombs. This one might sound a bit futuristic, but artificial wombs have the potential to revolutionize reproduction. These are essentially lab-grown environments that could mimic the functions of a human womb, allowing for the development of fetuses outside the body. This technology could offer hope for couples struggling with infertility, or even enable space travel for future generations by allowing for embryo development during long journeys. However, there are also ethical considerations that need to be addressed as we move forward with this technology. Number 8. Satellite constellations. Imagine a network of hundreds or even thousands of small satellites orbiting Earth, providing high-speed internet access to even the most remote corners of the globe. This is the vision behind satellite constellations like Starlink by SpaceX. This technology could bridge the digital divide, allowing everyone on Earth to access the internet and its resources. Imagine students in rural areas attending online classes, doctors in remote locations accessing medical databases, or communities in disaster zones receiving critical communication support. Satellite constellations could revolutionize communication, education, and access to information on a global scale. Number 9. Smart homes. Imagine a home that anticipates your needs. Smart homes are equipped with interconnected devices that can automate tasks, control lighting, adjust temperature, and even monitor your energy use. Think turning on lights with your voice as you enter, preheating the oven remotely while you're on the way home, or receiving an alert if your smoke detector detects a potential fire. Smart homes offer not just convenience, but also enhanced security. Imagine receiving a notification on your phone if someone tries to unlock your door when you're away, or having smart locks that automatically unlock as you approach. Additionally, smart homes can help us live more sustainably by monitoring our energy consumption and suggesting ways to reduce our environmental impact. Number 10. Advanced VR/AR displays. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are already blurring the lines between the real and digital worlds. But advanced VR/AR displays promise to take things even further. Imagine high-resolution, lightweight headsets that offer incredibly realistic experiences. Imagine surgeons performing complex operations with the assistance of VR overlays that provide real-time patient data, or students attending virtual field trips to historical landmarks or the depths of the ocean. Advanced VR/AR displays could revolutionize education, training, entertainment, and even remote work. Imagine attending a business meeting virtually from the comfort of your home office, or collaborating on a design project with colleagues located around the world in a shared virtual space. Number 11. Solar-powered cars. Imagine cruising down the highway with the sun powering your car. Solar-powered cars are electric vehicles equipped with solar panels on their roofs or hoods. These panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, which then recharges the car's battery. While full solar-powered cars that can rely solely on sunshine for long journeys are still under development, advancements in solar technology are promising. The potential benefits are clear: reduced dependence on fossil fuels, lower carbon emissions, and a cleaner environment. Imagine a future where charging stations become a thing of the past and daily commutes are powered by the sun's energy. However, challenges remain. Current solar panels have limitations in terms of efficiency and surface area needed for significant power generation. Despite this, solar-powered cars represent a significant step towards a more sustainable transportation system. Number 12. Foldable smartphones. Remember the clunky flip phones of the past? Foldable smartphones take the concept of a compact device and transform it into a versatile powerhouse. Imagine unfolding your phone to reveal a tablet-sized screen, perfect for watching movies, playing games, or multitasking on spreadsheets and presentations. This larger display enhances your mobile experience, making it easier to consume content, work on the go, or unleash your creativity. However, foldable phones aren't just about screen size. They offer a unique blend of portability and functionality. When folded, they slip easily into your pocket for convenient carrying. No more lugging around a bulky tablet or struggling to fit a large phone in your hand. This compact form factor makes them ideal for everyday use, allowing you to stay connected and productive wherever you go. As technology advances, foldable phones are becoming more affordable and durable. Concerns about screen creases and hinge mechanisms are diminishing, paving the way for wider adoption. Whether you're a power user who demands a large screen or someone who values portability, foldable smartphones offer a compelling option that's changing the way we interact with our mobile devices. Number 13. Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS. Autonomous vehicles may still be a few years away, but ADAS technology is already making driving safer. These systems include features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. ADAS can help to reduce accidents by assisting drivers and providing them with crucial information about their surroundings. Imagine a car that automatically brakes to avoid a collision, or one that warns you if you're unintentionally drifting out of your lane. ADAS technology offers a stepping stone towards autonomous vehicles and plays a vital role in enhancing safety on the roads. Number 14. Hybrid Electric Vehicle, HEV. HEVs combine a gasoline engine with an electric motor, offering a more fuel-efficient alternative to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. When driving in city traffic, HEVs primarily use the electric motor, reducing emissions. On highways, the gasoline engine kicks in, providing the power needed for longer distances. HEVs are a great option for those who want to reduce their environmental impact without sacrificing driving range. Imagine driving around town on electric power, then seamlessly switching to gasoline for longer journeys. HEVs offer a practical solution for drivers who want to transition towards a more sustainable transportation option. Number 15. Flying cars. Remember the Jetsons and their iconic flying cars? Well, the dream of personal air transportation might not be as futuristic as it once seemed. Several companies are developing flying car prototypes, ranging from sleek electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicles to autonomous passenger drones. While regulations and safety considerations are still being addressed, flying cars have the potential to revolutionize transportation, especially in congested urban areas. Imagine a world where you could hop into a flying car on your rooftop and soar across town to a meeting, avoiding rush hour traffic altogether. Flying cars could also transform emergency response times, allowing for faster medical care delivery and quicker disaster relief efforts. However, careful planning and infrastructure development will be crucial for their safe and successful integration. Imagine designated landing pads atop buildings, air traffic control systems specifically for these vehicles, and regulations that prioritize safety and minimize noise pollution. Flying cars are an exciting glimpse into the future of transportation, but their successful implementation will require collaboration between governments, engineers, and urban planners. The future is exciting, and it's constantly evolving. Remember, this is just a glimpse of what's to come. What other emerging technologies are you keeping an eye on? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching.